Well, why you should eat 2 hard-boiled eggs a day? Egg is an excellent source of protein, vitamin A, B, D, E, and vitamin K. It also contains minerals such as iron, zinc, phosphorus, and selenium. Eating eggs regularly has a positive effect on your health. Eggs can contain folic acids that contributes to the production of red blood cells. So eating eggs will help protect the body from anemia. If you want to lose weight and want to have a healthy and athletic figure, you should include eggs in your diet. They contain valuable proteins that helps increase satiety and build muscle mass. Moreover, according to research, eggs have anti-cancer properties, so their regular use reduces the risk of breast cancer. Eggs are valuable source of nutrients, so they are recommended for pregnant women as the folic acid in it can help protect the fetus. But you need to boil an egg around 3 to 8 minutes to cook a perfect hard-boiled egg. So if you like this video, please stay tuned with the Health app by pressing the subscribe button with the notification bell. See you in the next video. Till then, be healthy, be happy always.